Welcome back, viewers. It's a 300 par for the NDA 2 days after the election results, with allies in smaller parties and independents put together. But the major reverses suffered by the party and its allies in 3 major states have come as a rude shock as it introspects on what went wrong. While the BJP performed well in states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi and Gujarat, why was its performance lackluster elsewhere? Let's tell you about the big 3 losses of the BJP. The focus is on 3 large states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. In Uttar Pradesh, the BJP went from 71 seats in 2014 to 62 seats in 2019 and now down to only 33 seats. In Maharashtra, where the BJP used to have 23 seats in 2014, it slipped to 9 seats in 2024. In Rajasthan, the BJP has slipped from 25 seats in 2014 to a mere 14 seats now. In the case of Uttar Pradesh, 7 union ministers lost their seats. The victory margin of PM Modi as well is down to 1.5 lakh votes. The BJP won only 8 out of 17 SC reserved seats, losing 8 seats from 2019. Out of these 8, 5 of them went to the Samajwadi Party. This has led some BJP leaders to question a possible internal sabotage in Uttar Pradesh. However, the national president of the Nishad Party, an ally of the NDA, claimed that the BJP's leaders' wrong statements were the cause of their defeat in Uttar Pradesh. Listen in.
एक तरीके से पार्टी के साथ विश्वासघात किया है ऐसे लोगों ने, और इसकी जांच जो है गहराई से होनी चाहिए, प्रत्येक जिले अनुसार होनी चाहिए कि कौन कौन ऐसे लोग हैं जिन्होंने पार्टी के नेतृत्व के खिलाफ, हमारे पार्टी के कैंडिडेट के खिलाफ अपनी भूमिका निभाई है।
मेरे इन हाथों ने अयोध्या की धरती को राम भक्तों के लहू से लाल लाल होते देखा है। राम भक्तों को मैंने उठाया है, लेकिन क्या दुर्भाग्य है, उसी अयोध्या ने आज समाजवादी पार्टी का संसद भवन बना दिया। तो ये कुल मिलाकर के जो कुछ उत्तर प्रदेश में घटना घटित हुई है चुनाव को लेकर, ये चिंता का विषय भी है।
विपक्षियों ने जो अपने हिसाब से मुद्दे बनाए थे उसको उन लोगों ने कैश कराया। हमको लगता है उस पर बैठ के विचार होगा, देखा जाएगा। लेकिन जो मैंने अपने धरातल पर देखा है कि मेन तो कि इस बार जो उनके यादव थे वो अखिलेशवादी हुए। पूर्ण रूप से यादव एक तरफ से एक अपने अखिलेश को निशाने पर काम किया और उन्हें, और बाकी मुस्लिम जो थे वो उनको लगा कि नहीं हमारा पुराना घर कांग्रेस मिल गया, तो मुस्लिम जो है थोड़ा सा एक्टिव होके।
Now let's tell you about Maharashtra. Here the BJP has registered its biggest loss since 1998 when it comes to the swing. In fact, you can see how the BJP over the decades has consolidated its seats to 23 in 2019, but this time it's dropped to only 9, a swing of 14. The biggest losses for the BJP in Maharashtra have been in the SC/ST belt. In the SC reserved seats, the Congress won 4 seats and the Uddhav Sena won 1. The BJP won none. Out of the 4 ST seats, the Congress and allies won 3 and the BJP won only 1. The introspection and the deep dive into the BJP's election performance will continue for the next few days, we are sure, especially with the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting happening today. We'll get you more news and updates after a short break. Stay with us.